Hi everyone, welcome back to Massive Crochet. For this project, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. And we're going to start with a slip knot to get our foundation chain going. I'm chaining 15, but you can work in any multiple of 3 to reach your desired length. For row 1, we're going to skip the first chain and work a single crochet into the next. Work a single crochet into the next chain, and then continue with 1 single crochet in each chain, all the way across. Chain 1 and turn. For row 2, we're going to start with a single crochet into the very first stitch. Skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the following one. Chain 2. And work another single crochet into that same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet into the following one. Chain 2 and single crochet into that same stitch. The repeat is very simple. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, work single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. At the end of the row, you will have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch and end with 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Let's start row 3 with a chain 3 and turn. We're going to skip the first stitch and work directly into the chain 2 space. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. And that's a double crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and work another double crochet 2 together into the same space. So, make an incomplete double crochet, then another incomplete double crochet and close them together. and just repeat this across to the end. In every chain 2 space, you're going to work a double crochet 2 together, chain 1, and another double crochet 2 together. Finish the row with 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. This row is just going to be single crochet all the way to the end. And finish with a single crochet into the top of the chain 3. Chain 1, and from here on out, just repeat rows 1 to 4 for as long as you want. I'm absolutely in love with this pattern. As you can see, it has a beautiful, fresh, spring-like texture that looks just like tiny flowers and leaves. You only need to pay attention to row 2. The other rows are totally easygoing and quick to work up. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new design. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!